Care about Ron? What do you mean? I also love good music.
Ngayong araw ay lalaroin natin tong Lost Future game. No? So, sinimulan ko na muna siya. Pero ngayon, i-vlog na natin siya. Gusto natin siya sa YouTube. So, ito ay zombie survival. Survival. Ito na. Ano natin? Ayan, naghahanap. Ibahin tayo dito. Hindi ko alam kung nasan tayo ngayon. So, magdadakit muna tayo. Jacket tayo din. Ayan. Tingnan din natin yan. Ano ba? So, yun lang guys. Tingnan nyo guys, bago pa lang ito. Bago pa lang siya. So, apply natin ito muna. So, yun. So, let's go guys. Ano tayo dito? Survival siya, no? So, medyo malag siya sa phone ko. Dahil low-end device lang naman po tayo. Hindi tayo naka-mid device or high device. No? So, lumipat tayo ng lugar. Siyempre, hindi puro GTA tayo ng GTA, no? Pero kailangan din natin umiba ng laro, no? So, ako ay laging naka-voice changer dahil mas trip ko yung ganitong, voice.
Hermano, just don't hurry. You know I hate running. If you want someone to run and gun, that's Selena. I'd rather get a big and heavy club and slam it against someone's head.
From what I hear, not so long ago, we had spaceships going to Mars.
Holy shit, bro. Holy shit, bro. Come on.
From what I hear, not so long ago, we had spaceships going to Mars, had robots, neural networks, and MAIs in every appliance, and little Ronnie just learned how to hold a club in his hands.
Selena, lay off.
Oh, come on, Chica. Before this whole mess happened, every corporation was trying to create its own MAI.
Right, team. Don't get too comfortable. Remember why we're here. We gathered the resources for repairs, and now we're going home.
Yeah, we need to be more careful, bro. We passed close by here, and I saw some exposed acid speeders. Such bastardos! Ugh.
Nangyari.
Where were we, Ron? How did you end up organizing security for the refugee camp at that... What did you call it?
Nabahan ako doon.
Yeah, at the evac center. How did it happen that you were the chief of security? And now you're just another refugee like me or Selena.
Hermano, it's a long story.
Well,
Alright, lipat ulit tayo sa ibang lugar. Daming zombie, no? Kailangan ko ng dito, rifles. Natin ng rifles dito. Hindi puro ganito lagi, no?
well, I've got time. Go on and tell me.
Well, I got all fluxed. And
here. Help! I'm being attacked by the X-People. So shoot them! Why are you whining? Someone stole all my weapons.
Quiet, Ron. Don't interrupt. Where are you?
I'm at my house, southwest of the radio tower. There's only one around here.
Do you require medical assistance?
No, thankfully not yet.
How many of the suspected felons do you have nearby?
Felons? There's X-People here. There's 2 or 5. I don't know. I locked myself in.
Alright guys, may naayos tayo dito.
Stay put. We'll be there soon. Stanley, looks like you got a stranger in your house.
Galing oh. Ang lupit ng pagbubuo ngayon ah. Bagay, 2035 na po itong taon na to dito sa laro na to. Kung saan mas advanced yung mga ano rito, mga teknolohiya. Ano, buo agad, tanis. So tayo ay nasa 2024 pa lang. Wala pa tayo sa 2025. Kaya mas ano dito sa 2035 ay mas upgraded po siya. Alright, magkatapos na. 2, 1. Alright.
Hey, Mr. Squatter, are you aware that this house belongs to my family? The Murphy family? Stephen Murphy, in a wheelchair, big man. Carol Murphy, a pretty brunette, young, a little shorter than me. Have you seen them? Have you seen them? Answer me!
No, sir. Sorry. I haven't seen them. I took over the house in July. It was empty. I cleaned it. I fixed the generator, gathered weapons. I guarded it the best I could. I just left to look for some food and parts to fix the generator that burned out.
Cut the chit-chat. What do I do with you?
Dito pala yung bahay natin guys.
Let's start by getting you to pay our rent.
All right. That's fair. Here, please. Take everything I have.
That's not much. All right, team. Let's put the loot in the storage.
I suggest we fix up the kitchen. Not just fixing it up, but making it a high-tech kitchen, using my skides.
What the hell are you doing, Victor?
Stanley, calm down. I'm just offering advice.
Ang dami pa pala natin i-build dito.
I always knew I wanted to work in a restaurant. Guys, I haven't eaten in a day.
Me neither.
Same.
Chill. I will cook you the best meal of your lives. Just bring me the ingredients. We gotta jack someone for food.
Better start growing our own food.
I was thinking, what a nice backyard here to start growing some flowers. But we can grow some potatoes too.
So, tayo ay nagbi-build ng mga dapat itanim dahil para may magkaroon tayo ng pagkain. Ito resources, kailangan natin makuha ng resources tayo. Alright. Garden has been upgraded. Good job, bro.
We have a garden, but it will be a while before it yields crops. We need to get food now.
Stanley, we'll need to look. There might be some canned food left.
Yo, Stanley, you ever had a VR headset?
Nah, not really. I've been a forest lookout, a ranger for the last 5 years.
Well, those online games where you're given an MAI-assisted
So guys, yung mga naririnig nyo na nag-uusap, sila yung mga magkakasama, no? So ito yung storya nila na nilalaro natin. Sila yung mga the survivors yata, or ewan ko lang kasi may nakita pa tayong isang survivors dun sa bahay natin, sa loob ng bahay natin. And I'm not sure kung yun lang yung natitira pang survivors. So sana pag tumagal pa tong kung mas tumagal pa tong ating paglalaro, mas marami pa tayong mabuild na mga lugar.
Well, those online games where you're given an MAI-assisted experience, they're trash.
Sana tayo guys.
Real dudes like us only game on mobile. You know what I'm saying? Despite the catastrophe, humanity would still go rogue with all this passion for VR games. It would just happen a couple of years later.
VR helmets help the military and police control.
Ay, grabe.
VR helmets help the military and police control.
Ay, patay na, patay na. Hindi tayo makapasok guys. Kaya natin maghanap ng ano.
VR helmets help the military and police control combat robots. The MAI Griffin, which is trained to do the same thing, is a sad invention. To fire or not to fire, that's a decision that the live operator should make, not MAI.
I don't care who puts holes in me. A robot dog controlled by MAI, or one controlled by a cold-blooded cabron. Friends, I've got to warn you. Usually the X-people are no more dangerous than human.
Holy moly shit. Whoa! Fuck. Oh shit. Come on, man. Kung hindi sila nanganggap na lang sila.
Friends, I've got to warn you. Usually the X-people are no more dangerous than humans. But recently, I saw mutants spewing acid. You guys be careful out there.
Those clearly didn't become like that because of VR games, right, Ron?
Sige, patay na. Ito na lang guys, ito naksak tayo.
Alright, got some grub.
Dito ang daang zombie. Wala na ang wala.
Alright, got some grub. Finally gonna eat like humans. By the way, I saw that ex-girl again recently. She's not like the others. A dangerous creature.
Isa tayo
Ain't any
dito
better
guys.
than other cabrones.
None of your cabrones will stop me from finding my family.
She tore apart one of my subs. Jackie, that was back when I was still in charge at the evac center.
I know you're damn Jackie.
Alright. Kailangan natin makabalik sa ating bahay. Bahay ba? Alam ko bahay. So, part 1 po ito ng ating Lost Future Survival Zombie. Part 1. Pero yung game na to,
I know you're damn Jackie. He probably tried to hurt her and got what he deserved.
lalagay ko yung link sa baba.
And
ng
you're no
description.
better, fallen leader of thugs.
If you see that girl again, don't you dare shoot her. Understand?
Do you think? Well, we're not hungry anymore. Thanks, hermano. If things get tough, we can always buy food. I? Found exposed? No, I told you. I hacked the robotic delivery service, but we need crypto to place an order. The store is run by one of the corporate MAIs. Seems like they still believe that humans are the dominant force on the planet. On the bright side, since most of the clients are brainless. Good places we have here, hermano. You've been to lots of places, but ain't home the best?
I don't know, Ron. I don't know. Everything has changed so much.
To me, it's pretty much the same. Just throw your gun over your shoulder and stroll around the neighborhood. If some jerks messes with you, you take him out.
Ronaldo Gomez, can we consider this a sincere admission? That you were involved in a fair amount of citizen killings before the catastrophe?
Oh, Selena, come on. It was just a metaphor. I only shot the exposed.
Oh!
Oh, Selena, come on. It was just a metaphor.
Oh my God, bro. Pumunta! Nangangat pa sila, guys. Oh. Fuck, namatay na ako dito. Nila sa mga zombie.
Oh, Selena, come on. It was just a metaphor. I only shot the exposed.
Yeah, I know. We only arrested little bloodsuckers like you for carjacking and shoplifting.
Get lost.
All right, calm down.
Holy shit. Ah! Oh! Oke, tatlo lugi ako sa inyo. Ayan, takbo man. Takbo. Holy shit. Nangangalap na siya. Bro. Oh, nakabula ka zombie.
Okay, we have a disposable battery. Charged.
Oh, God.
Hey, Graham, this is Oscar. We got everything squared away. Finally! Bring your asses here. Let's discuss further
Marauders. Damn
Namatay na
them.
ako. Ito naman buhay ko.
Did you get to know them well?
After the army left our region, they went wild, started raiding, looting houses. There were many of them, and they got so bold that they tried to attack our site. We fortified it well and gave those bastards a good beating. And then something strange happened a week later.
Strange.
Yeah, they rammed through our fence with the truck and a swarm of exposed followed. I've never seen so many of them in one. It's like they were with the Marauders. There were so many exposed, we couldn't handle them. Powell ordered us to retreat. Since then, I haven't seen him or any of the other guys.
Ano ba i-upgrade natin dito?
First, I'll be looking for my family.
He'll help you find them, Stanley.
Alright, guys. You're great. Now we have a reserve of electricity.
Dito na tayo rin.
As I've already mentioned, we can still order gear through the automated online stores. They still work if you pay in crypto. The Marauders try to shoot down postal skies, but usually fail.
Build tayo dito guys.
They may not be too bright, but they're loaded with guns.
We need to arm ourselves too. We can build our own armory.
Alright. I-build tayo. Binibuild na naman tayo ng panibago. Huwag natin ito i-build. Alright, sige. Yung mga SBL upgraded.
So, Victor, listen up. No drinking, no leaving the territory without warning, no bringing guests, and no solo moves. Got it?
Yes. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Stanley. I knew right away you had a good heart.
All right, let's skip the sweet talk.
You won't regret it. I'll make it up to you. Guys? There's X's right under our gates. And among them is that acid sprayer.
Stanley, check it out.
What? Poor guy. Victor, there's a job for you here. We need to decipher these blueprints.
Bring them over. Get to work.
Alright, babalik tayo sa base. Babalik tayo sa base. Babalik tayo sa base natin at mag-search tayo ng body about sa zombie. Hindi ko to i-cut guys ha. Mga video kaya medyo mahaba pero pasensya na kayo. Alright. Download ko lang kasi natin.
What did you find?
I haven't figured it out. Some kind of blueprints.
I found something as well. You might want to see it. Well, I tried to climb on the roof to see that strange girl you were talking about. I couldn't find a way to get up there. I did find a voice recorder while wandering around the house.
There it is. What's on it?
Right. What's on the list here? Canned food, drinking water, snacks, sleeping bags, goggles, thick-soled boots, shotgun, 7 boxes of shells, revolver for Carol, and here the rounds for it, axe, a new knife, a battery, 2 flashlights, a
they weren't in a rush to leave.
So guys, dito ko
Just
muna
gotta
ito
figure out where they
tatapusin itong episode na to, no? Kasi ako ay alubat na guys. So dito ko muna itatapusin itong video na to guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more video na kagaya nito. See ya to the next video. Bye.
The trash has been collected, but left in the kitchen.